Tonight we're looking at the Zurich ZR4s. It's from Harbor Freight. It's OBD2 code reader. This is like their lower line version of this. There's a few others that do a lot more things. I got this on a like 30% off clearance table there at Harbor Freight. But right now what we're doing is connecting it to Bluetooth so that I can connect the scanner to the iPad and it'll give us the other information. So I've set up the account and we're just going to follow the steps here. We're going to plug the tool into the vehicle. The port on these is way down here underneath the steering wheel. Next step, turn the ignition on. We'll do that. It is now on. So we'll check the box. Check the box. Continue. And now it's searching. You can see it's searching here. It says it found one. And down here, we're lit up. So I'm going to choose the one we found. It's currently pairing. So after I scanned it, it found the ABS code. I got a message that popped up on here. Currently the iPad is connected to the tool. So let's look at the results here. It says there's incomplete monitors. I'm not surprised, but we'll look right now here at the brakes one. It says there's one that's a verified fix. Battery voltage out of range. This vehicle sat, I'm not honestly sure how long it sat, with a completely dead battery, so I'm not really surprised about that either. We'll go back, and the admissions as well, so that'll have to do when it's running. So let's try clearing this. We'll try clearing this. The red button is for erase. Are we sure we want to clear it? Yes, we are. I'll hit enter. And it says it was successful. Try it one more time. There's nothing stored. There we go. It's giving us a nice little summary report here of the vehicle. I'll have to go through all these details and see what else there is. It's called Repair Solution 2 is the app that connects to this. So there we have it. The Zurich ZR4s OBD2 code reader from Harbor Freight. I think I got it for about $20, $20, $20. I think it retails for 30, maybe 40. Even still, if you're not doing any major mechanical work on your vehicle, it's probably a pretty good deal.